Clean Facts here. I'm with Jordan King, and along with his father Tom King. They have purchased a company that they have used for their own cleaning business for years, MasterBlend, as you can see on his shirt. MasterBlend had some challenges recently. Jordan, you guys said that you saw an opportunity. What happened?
Yeah, so we kind of saw that things were going south. We weren't able to get product. We were really struggling to continue to keep the product in stock for ourselves. So we went out to Denver to speak with the previous owners a few months ago. We thought, hey, maybe we'll pick up 5 or 6 formulas, we'll make them for ourselves, we'll sell them to friends around the country, and we just kind of go at it like that. Real quickly, we kind of saw there was a real play to bring the whole line back, which we're super stoked to do. We're going to be able to bring back 50 products here in the coming weeks. And so through the conversation and all that, we actually just closed on the purchase on August 20th, and so we're a little bit less than a month in here, and we're super excited here. We should have production starting in roughly 2.5 weeks, and product should be arriving to distributors here in November this year.
Okay, you mentioned distributors, so obviously you're going to use a distribution channel to get your products to market.
Yeah.
So people that all across the country that have used MasterBlend in the past, they're going to be able to get their products in the store.
Absolutely. So we want to continue the very strong relationships that have been built between MasterBlend and many independents and Airlink suppliers and John Don's from around the world. We're really excited to continue to work with those distributors, and so we just can't wait to get this back on their shelves. I know they've been really eager for it. It's a huge part of so many different people's businesses, whether you're a cleaner or a distributor. We really are excited to get this back and just hopefully get things going in the right direction.
Very cool. Now, as you can see as you watch this, there's some promotion in the background. We're at the Experience Trade Show, and this is your first trade show, obviously, with MasterBlend.
It is, yeah.
And you have a booth, and you have a lot of people walking by. What's the reception been like? What are you talking about with these former customers, but now new to you, customers of MasterBlend?
Yeah, the response has been super strong. For a lot of folks, they really didn't know what was going on. A lot of things before our involvement were kind of hidden a little bit, and I think that they were trying to figure things out, and hopefully we're going to find another side to it. And so people are excited to hear that the products are returning. The response has been super encouraging for us, just being a new venture for us. And so the response here has been awesome. It's been a really great event. We're really glad, happy to be here, for sure.
All right. Well, congratulations, and we look forward to seeing MasterBlend back on the show.
Great. Thanks, John.